Facebook follow limit reached problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the follow limit reached problem on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you're using Facebook from your app or via the Facebook Lite application, but problem here is that whenever you're trying to basically follow someone or maybe add someone as a friend, it simply says that the follow limit has been reached. So how do you solve if the follow limit has already been reached? Well, first of all, you have to understand why this happens. Facebook basically has a limit as to how many people you can follow because of the privacy settings. Other reason is that Facebook limits your friends in your list to 5,000, beyond which you can only follow that person and they can't accept any more requests. So either that person has had the follow limit reached and they can't accept any more requests from you, or maybe you yourself have over 5,000 friends, which is why it is not letting you follow many more people. So just come to your friends tab here, and then after you come to your profile page, you'll be able to see your number of friends. So I have got 1,000 friends, so I can still follow more people. But if you haven't, then just try to unfriend some of the people or unfollow some of the people, and you should be able to solve it. So this way you should be able to solve the follow limit reached. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.